Ever spend hours staring at your video timeline, manually cutting out every single and awkward silence? What if you could skip all that boring work entirely? Hey guys, welcome back. Today, we're looking at Gling AI, an AI video editor built specifically for YouTube creators who want to edit smarter, not harder. Gling's main job is to take your raw, unedited footage and hand you back a clean, polished cut in just a few clicks. Here's how simple the process is. Step 1, you just upload your raw video or audio file to Gling. The AI immediately gets to work transcribing your audio, finding all those bad takes, long pauses, and annoying filler words, and automatically cutting them out. Step 2 is where you refine. Gling gives you an intuitive text-based trimmer. This means you can edit your video just by editing the transcript text. If you want to put your own creative touch on it, you still have full control to manually adjust any clip on the timeline. Step 3 is exporting. You aren't locked into their platform. You can download your polished video as an MP4 or MP3 with SRT captions, or you can export the clean timeline directly into professional editors like Final Cut, DaVinci Resolve, or Adobe Premiere to finish your masterpiece. Beyond just cutting silence, Gling is packed with extra tools. It features noise removal, auto captions, automated zoom-ins and zoom-outs to keep your talking head videos engaging, and even a YouTube title and chapter generator to help your videos perform better. Now, let's talk about what users think. Major creators featured on Gling's website, like Shelby Church and Luke Barousse, absolutely rave about it, saying it saves them days of tedious editing. However, because independent third-party reviews are somewhat limited in our current data, we highly recommend trying out their Start for Free option first. This lets you test how accurately the AI detects your specific voice, accent, and pacing before committing. If you're tired of the endless cutting and want to focus on making great content, head over to gling.ai and try it out for free. Let me know in the comments how much time it saves you. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more creator tool guides.